Hi guys, welcome back. So, got a little bit of a stash ad video today and a little bit of a history behind the 5 things in front of you. 4 of them came from a local swap meet that the Portland International Plastic Model Society had put on a couple of weeks ago. They held it outside. It was for a couple hours in the morning, and there was a few people who brought stuff to sell. So I went to go support them and just kind of see what was there. And to be honest with you, I had no intention of really buying anything, but I ended up spending $25 and came away with 4 items, and I'll show you what those are in a minute. And then I was also able to find something on eBay in a kit that I was looking forward to trying to find, and I'll show you that one first. So the first one is this Corvair. So much like the Karmann Ghia, I really enjoy these cars as well. If there was a car that I could own, I would love to own a Corvair. I found this on eBay. I got it for about $20 plus shipping. So I thought that was a steal, especially since I had seen other ones go for a lot more than that. And so I was very happy with that. Again, it's used, still in its plastic. It does look like the person attempted to do something here with the windshield. Not quite sure what's up with that. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, so there's the instructions. Not really sure how old. I hadn't actually completely opened this kit up. I'm not sure how old these instructions are or what year this is from. Let's see, does it say? No, I don't think it does. Anyway, not sure when this kit was actually made, but it's been a while. There's a ton of tires in here. I think there's more than just one kit in this thing. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna try that out. Kind of looking forward to this build. Like I said, this is a car that I've always wanted, actually, in real life, along with the Karmann Ghia. So if I could have 2 cars, that would be it. So there's that Corvair Custom. Now, the 4 boxes that you're seeing in front of you are the ones that I picked up at the swap meet for 25 bucks. The first one is this Monogram 429 Mustang Boss. And again, everything looked like it was, everything is there, still all in its plastic. And there wasn't a lot more military models there and things like that than cars. So I picked up what looked interesting to me. This is 69 Pontiac GTO, the Judge. This one looks like it should be a fun build. Again, you know, all in its original packaging. And then there's this AMT Z28 Camaro, 70.5. And I guess you can build this one a couple of different styles. So when I finally get around to this, we'll decide what we're going to do with this one. And again, if I can actually get the box open. Okay, I'm not going to struggle with it. Anyway, so again, new kit essentially. And then for the first time, I picked up this 1968 Plymouth 4-door sedan. And this will be my very first resin body. So I will have to, I'm sure I can probably dig up a chassis from this, from one of my other kits, and try to put this together. But so I got the body and what's in the rest of this box, which is some interior seats. Oops. And door panels and the hood. And some cleaning instructions and gluing and priming and all that kind of fun stuff. Not exactly sure what manufacturer this is. I don't know if it's, I'm not sure who it is, to be honest with you. So if any of you guys know, then, you know, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I was kind of happy with that. The body cost me $5. And then the other 3 models cost me $20, so I spent $25 at the swap meet. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So my first resin car body. If anybody's got any advice on that, be greatly appreciated. So there's that. It's the Corvair. And yeah, that's all we got. So hope everybody's doing well. And please like, comment, share the video, and let me know what you guys think of my little purchases here. And I will talk to you all real soon. Everybody have a wonderful week, and stay safe. And just stay away from the oppressive heat as much as you can for those of you who are affected by it. Okay? And again, thank you to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye.